Hello, today I will show you something about QMR, Quasimodo. Like always, we have a POI in a higher time frame, and in the lower time frame, we will have something like this. Price will react to each area of this part and goes down. This is a simple pattern of QMR or head and shoulders. It's known as a head and shoulder. Okay, this is for a sell position, and let me invert it. This one is for buy positions or line position. Okay, let's see some example in a chart. As you see, we have a POI, and this is our price in 1 minute. This is our low, high, lower low, and price goes up. And for confirmation, we can change it to one upper time frame. As you see, it's in the engulf candle. So came back to the 1 minute. Waiting price come back to this area, and we can take our long position. And don't be afraid, in the price we don't have any win rate with 100%. This is something that is not real. Maybe we enter to this position, price had a little reaction to this area, come out, up, and after that go down and take our stop loss. But you should practice, practice, and practice, and take your back test, forward test to know that if you do some steps, your win rate will be good. For example, one of the condition is engulfing candle, and you should waiting price to have a reaction to POI. Okay, let's see what will happen. As you see, we have a same engulfing candle in the same time frame, and I prefer to enter position after this candle get close. I put my stop loss around here, about the 8 pip, about the target, maybe here, but I take it because we have a unmitigated block here. And as you see, our risk reward ratio is around 4.55. Let's see what will happen. Okay. As you see, our target get touched. This is one of our examples. Let's see the second one. Our second example, as you see, is here. We have a little comeback of the price. As you see, we have a block that isn't touched. The waiting price come to this area, and if it's possible, we try to enter to the market. As you see, price has a very fast reaction to this area. Okay. Sometimes maybe you have a order in this area, but if I want to enter to this position, prefer that and put my stop loss at least 1 or 2. Risk reward ratio, put it in there. 2. Okay. As you see, price give our risk reward ratio 2.102, and it's more, but I prefer to take it just here. You can take it more and more. Let me see what is happening in the market. Okay, goes up price. And if you don't get out of the market, it will touch your stop loss. This is our second example. This is our another example. I said because it's not very easy to find the QMR because it has a many different shape. One of them is here. We have a high, low, higher high, lower low, and because it touch POI, and let's see, it has a engulfing candle as a confirmation. Yes, it has a confirmation in a higher time frame, and as you see here is an untouched order block, and this is area that we are waiting to price come to that. It's not as easy as like this. Maybe it's come like this, and after touch this area it goes down. This is our scenarios, and another time I will notify you. Maybe all of these scenarios it fail. Price goes up and break our setup. Because of that, you should always be very careful about your money in the market. We don't have any win rate with 100%. Okay, try to be careful about your money. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, as you see, we have another confirmation in the same time frame. As you see here, let me zoom in and show it by this. This red candle is close to the green candle, and this is our confirmation. We try to enter here. After this candle it close, put my stop loss above here and about TP at least here. It can be our first TP and another one can be around here. Okay, let's see what will happen. Increase it. As you see, price come down and close below the area, and we take a risk and reward ratio around 4. Let's see another example. As you see, price come down of the POI area, then made our QMR, and if you want, we can see in the higher time frame confirmation. As you see, we have an engulfing candle. Let me zoom in. Can you see this candle has been closed above previous candle? Okay, and we are waiting price come back to this area. Oh, price come back to this area and go up. At least we have, this is our first TP and another TP is above this area. Okay, let's see what will happen in the lower time frame. And if you can't enter to this area, I will show you. We have another setup and it's SNRC. I will show and teach this in the future videos. Can you see? Price touch this area and we have same time frame engulfing confirmation, and we enter after this candle it close. Put our stop loss here and TP around 1.3. Let's see what will happen. As you see, price touch our TP. And if you, as I said, if you have a time, you have a, it depends on your style. Maybe you want to be with the price and take more TP. Let's see what is happening. Price came back to our SNR2 area. This is another setup. It has a reaction to that area and goes up. And if we stay with the price, as you see, our risk reward ratio will change around 11. Let's see another example. Let me show you another QMR, and as I said, all of them is not win. Some of them is failed. As you see here, price come down the POI area, and we have a QMR, and we have the confirmation. Yes. Let me see that. Can you see price had an engulfing candle? And but let's see what will happen. price playing in this area. And when price has a many take a time to come back to our area, we should be aware and be a little more careful. As you see, price touch this area and it has a engulfing candle, and if we enter to the market in this area, put our stop loss in the here, our first TP around here. As you see, it touch our stop loss and we lose our trade. And this is the reality of the market. We don't have any win rate with 100%. Don't remember these sentences and be careful about your money. Trading is a good thing, but you should be very careful about your money. I hope you enjoy my videos and see you very soon.